It's Miss Darby and Sheldon. Sheldon's still sleeping off Thanksgiving, but I decided to do this for you guys. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your parents to share for you. Ugh. Sheldon. Kids, I think Sheldon is turkey intolerant. But let's keep going, okay? We'll keep going. Where we left off is where the man said, "Oh, hello, young man. What a joy to see you. We've been getting ready for you all day," the man said, but Kai slowly lowered his head. He hobbled in as well. The bird squawked with delight, but the old man had to hush him because he told him he did not want Kai scared for the first day. That's where we left off. Let's begin again. 4th chapter. Like and subscribe. Kai went right to his bed and put his suitcase on top. He saw the beautiful feathered pillow, and it was so incredibly soft. The bird jumped for joy, and the boy went right to sleep. When the boy awoke, he said quietly, "Is that corn for me?" The raven nodded his head. He had put some pieces of corn at the bottom of his bed for Kai to eat. Kai had never had this much love in his life. The raven leaned close to the boy, and he began to sing, "La la tweedly-dee, la la tee-tee-tee, la la tweedly-dee, la la tee-tee-tee." The old man said he'd be practicing that song for a long time for you, Kai. And he wanted you to know how much he loved you. After the best sleep in Kai's life, and so much love, and even corn, Kai went to the window, and so did the raven. The raven pecked at the window too. Kai wondered what the raven was doing. They both looked out, and Kai saw a large flock of blackbirds. Kai wondered, was that the raven's family? Did he miss his brothers and sisters like Kai did? He'd never know that soon they'd go on an epic adventure. We're going to stop there, but again, like and subscribe. And before Thanksgiving, Sheldon said, send everybody his love. Bye-bye for now.